Umfelokazi kaCalata ulandise ngeigigabe ezandulela ukuthola izindaba zokushona komyeni wakhe.
When I got there by the Goniwe home, because Mrs. Goniwe was a strong person, I trusted her. She's a social worker, she's strong, and she's older than me. When I got at the home, she was crying, my lady. And I cried without knowing why she's crying, because seeing her crying touched me. And I thought it's a big thing if she can cry. And then eventually the elderly people made me to sit down, and I sat down. And at that moment, I think it was Woodgilly Square, stood up and he informed us that the body of Mhlawuli and Mkhonto were found.
Uthi wayinethemba lokuthi umyeni wakhe wayezosinda kuze kuba uzwa izindaba ezibuhlungu.
Our lawyer from the Legal Resources Center, Uli Bozelek, came to, to talk to us that afternoon, to me and Mrs. Goniwe. So he was sort of preparing us for the worst, but we didn't want to know about that, my lady. And then he said that we must not have hope that our husbands are still alive. And that day, me and Mrs. Goniwe both jumped at the same time to him to say, no, they are. And immediately after that, priest and some other people came to come and get me now from the house where we were, just opposite Matthew Goniwe's home. Took us home, and they gave us the news that my husband and Matthew's bodies were also found. They're also dead. And then my life changed from then.
Nomonde uthi wabeletha indodakazi yakhe emasontweni amabili nje emva komngcwabo womyeni wakhe.
I am 26 years old. I have children. I am pregnant. And my hope is taken away.
Fort Calata, Matthew Goniwe, usicelo Mhlawuli kanye Mkhonto babulawa ngamaphoyisa obandlululo ngo-1985 bebulawela iqhaza labo emzabalazweni wenkululeko. Babebuya emhlanganweni we-UDF eBhayi e-Eastern Cape.